Gloves are on, baby. It really smells. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna get all in here. What this got in here? I'm just putting stuff on. I don't know what this is. Ooh. Y'all help me if I'm doing this wrong. Ugh. It's getting messy.
Happy New Year. Welcome to my channel. Listen, y'all, I'm so excited about the new year. I am just grateful that I'm still around. I'm on earth. But let me get right into it. Okay. So for 2025, I'm no longer giving these people my money. I'm tired of it. I'm sick of it. I've told my really close friends about this. I'm like, I'm tired. I'm tired. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to learn how to do it myself. You're right. So
Here I have this white stance.
ooh la la, so fancy. Waxing kit that is from Amazon. I even left the package on for y'all to show y'all that this is real. Okay? Never been used before. Here's what it looks like in person. And also, I have an Amazon link that is in the description box that I want you to check out. I do earn commission for it, right? Because I'm also in my bag for 2025 and then some, however long the Lord wants me. Hello. So as you can see, this is the inside of it. This is the cover part. And let me take this out for y'all. But this is the little tray for the wax. And what I'm going to be waxing is my mustache. I ain't ashamed. This is how you know it's real, because I'm telling y'all all my business. As well as, you know, my a la beard. All right, so it also comes with a wax pre-treatment along with an after wax treatment, as you can see. Let me make sure y'all can see that well. Then it comes with the waxing sticks as well. And then 4 of the hard wax beans. Let me tell y'all something. This is my first time. I don't want to say my first time. I want to say it's actually about my second time doing this, but I didn't have like this whole kit. I think I got like a little kit from Sally's or whatever, and I would just put it in a microwave. But we grown, so when we grown, we got to upgrade. And it also comes with, I think this goes on top of this. Don't let me get in the line, because I had to make sure. I think it goes in this, like, let's not have y'all have me looking crazy. All right, I'm trying to put this together. I guess I'll figure that out. I think I got it right. Yeah. Yeah. I guess it's to make sure like the wax doesn't get all in this. If I'm wrong, let me know I'm wrong, but I'm gonna barely do some editing. I'm just getting straight to the point, and that's it. All right. So of course it also comes with this user manual, and this didn't come with this, but I also have my gloves. I did watch a few, people who were waxing themselves, and they mentioned, like, for sanitation reasons, it's best to, use gloves. I'm like, why not, right? Oh, this is the kit I was talking about when I got from Sally's back in the day. I have like my little setup in here, but it came with like this, but we don't need this because like when the wax gets hardened, all I have to do is like, they also told me to wax the opposite way. And I also have this is my tweezers, the Revlon tweezers. These are good tweezers, y'all. I don't grow like crazy hair. It can get to that point if I go like, let's just say if I were to go a month without waxing, I'll be walking around here looking cray. But yeah, so let's get started. All right, y'all. So the manual says that I should pour the wax beads into the warmer, rotate the knob to adjust the temperature within the suggested range of 150 degrees Fahrenheit to 167 degrees Fahrenheit for waxing thin. So I'm going to adjust it to like, let me see. And I'm going to show y'all the knob and everything to set it up to that. So this is what it looks like as well. All right, I didn't put a whole lot in there because I don't know what I'm doing, but we're going to figure it out. I'm like, let me grab my little mic because I'm sorry. If it's giving like, let me adjust this. If it's giving bathroom noise, you just going to have to stick with me because I'm going to do what I got to do. As long as I try to get the content out, right? We'll improve as time goes on. But y'all, I'm just sick and tired of spending money. I'm tired of it. I don't care how I sound, how frugal I sound. I'm tired of it. I'd rather have my funds go towards something more beneficial in the future. If it's something that I feel like I could do at home, why not do it? And I'm a do it yourself type of, type of girly. So this is what prompted me to get the ball moving and do what I need to do. So I did not pour all of the wax in there, as you can see. Why would I? Because I'm learning. So I don't want to waste all my, wax. And I don't know what I'm doing. So y'all just gonna have to like stick with me. So I did bring some napkins with me, so that I could spray. Let me see. That's the after wax. So that I could spray the pre-wax treatment. So once that gets warm enough or hot enough, I'm gonna spray the pre-wax treatment on this napkin and just make sure I get all of this. And also, this is the size stick I'm gonna be using because that's what they be using when I be in the shop. So I'm trying to remember what the heck they be doing as well. And get things cracking, get things cracking. Ooh, let me ask y'all something. So do y'all enjoy watching those like removing ingrown hairs? Tell me you do. Don't try to embarrass me and act like you don't know what I'm talking about. You ever be like scrolling online, like even if it's TikTok, YouTube, or whatever, and you just watch those real nice ingrown, like removing of the ingrown hairs? I don't wanna tell y'all all my business. We just getting to know each other. And I don't want you judging me. So yes, I like watching those. So that kind of prompted me to like just I don't know. It feels good like getting wax. I know it could be a little painful for people, but I kind of like it. But yeah. So let me check on this wax, y'all. Testing, testing. Is this thing on? I had to turn on my other mic because the other one's act funny. So this is what it's looking like right now. It's on 248, and like I mentioned, I put it on max, but I am gonna bring it back down. Oh, hold on. Let me put this mic down. Y'all, I'm multitasking. So like, look at that. Ooh, I feel so professional. All right, so gloves are on, baby. Where the other one at? All right. So like I mentioned, I'm gonna get the pre-wax. I hope I can look back at this and be like, oh my gosh, I've improved because I know right now I got a lot going on. So I'm gonna spray this. Let me see how it smells. Doesn't really smell like anything. Doesn't really smell. Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna get all in here. What this got in here? I'm just putting stuff on. I don't know what this is. Okay. Ciao. Simply apply it to the area to be epilated. Pat dry thoroughly with a dense tissue. So got all that. Got all that. Yay. Okay. Now, as this dries, like I said, I brought it back down to like 162. I'm just gonna wait because, like I said, I don't want to burn myself. And even if I did, I'll still upload this because ain't no content going to waste. I know that much. So putting this back, and I'm gonna be waxing, like I said, my chin and my mustache. So maybe I shouldn't put this back yet. Let me get my mustache too while we at it. All right. I don't got a lot now. It's just yeah. So now I'm gonna put it up, and then I'm going to get the after wax treatment, put it over here. Now I'm just ready to get this. Let's get this ball rolling. I don't want to use this stick. I wonder if I still can or whatever. I think I still can. All right, so I'm stirring the pot. I think, let me put this closer. I think the consistency is good, right? What does it look like to y'all? It look too hot? Oh Lord, what am I doing? I think they said if I can't, this look too hot. No, this is what I get for being impatient. Okay, I did test it and put it on here. It don't feel too hot. I think I'm good to go. Let's get this show on a road. Is that what they say? Let's get the show on the road. Okay. So one of the videos I watched, she was like, oh, this could be real messy. Okay. So she was like, make sure you twirl it around. Twirl it around like that. And then pull the skin back. Oh, shoot. Okay, it's not too hot. All right. Well, what am I doing? The things we do. Y'all help me if I'm doing this wrong. Ugh. This is getting messy. Okay, how's it looking? Oh Lord. Okay. We gotta let it dry. Yeah, it's still on. Making sure it's cooling out. Yeah, it's not hot. Okay, y'all. So it's hardened. Not for the action, baby. Not for action, baby. All right. So I already like peeled it like a little. Let's see how this gonna go. Let's get to it, baby. I'm scared, y'all. Oh Lord. Ooh. In the opposite way. Why did I think about doing this? All right, girl. Ooh. I don't want this to be. I want it to clean rip. Okay. Ooh, that wasn't bad. Look at this. Wow. You see that? I know you see it. Get into it. Get. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look crazy? All right. I don't think I'm doing bad for my first time. But y'all professionals, help me out. I know they be pulling the skin. Okay, get a nice, right? A nice layer. Ooh, I'll give it to the professionals though. I give it to the professionals. I don't set this back in there because they were like, it's not good to do that. Um, for like bacteria and stuff. So let it dry. Girl, I don't know what I was talking about. Don't listen to what I just said. Because I've been using the same damn stick. Whatever. It's only me using it. So I guess they mean when like other clients, that's what I'm assuming. Don't laugh. I know you're laughing at me. Okay. So if it's going this way, I guess I would have to, when I'm laying down, it's like you're doing it. I need to watch more videos. Because if it's going this way, I would have to pull it opposite, right? Oh, forget it. I'll learn. Oh, let's get into it, baby. Ooh. Okay, let's see. Oh my god. Ah. Ooh. Look at this. This looks crazy. Okay, so I was right. I pulled it in the right direction, right? Don't worry, y'all. I'm gonna get y'all more of a look, like into the light. And the last time I got a wax was, I think it was about like 2 weeks ago, so it's not as bad as it could be. And like I said, I'm going to get a better picture in the light or a visual in the light because I like to see the hairs. And my hairs, of course, you're not gonna see it well unless it's like against the light. So now we get into the mustache. Yeah, whatever. Oh my god. I ain't never had them wax my oh no. I ain't never had them wax my mustache though. I just use those little things, like those little I don't think I don't know where it's at. I don't think I did this right, but this is gonna hurt, ain't it? This look crazy. I think it needs to be a little more. This is trial and error. Y'all are just with me right now, no matter how nuts I look. Hold on, the hair was going this way, so I gotta go that way. Hold on. What y'all? Oh, ah, ooh, that ain't giving one hair. I didn't do that right. At least I think I got to get it a little warmer. All right, but I don't have a lot. Let's get some other spots. Let's get some other spots, baby. Oh yeah, it needs to. It's colder. I'm making a mess. Judgment free zone. Yeah, I went and got another stick. But I think what I'm gonna do is forget that. I'm just gonna break these sticks in half. I don't care. Because I just threw the other one out. It was just messy. Alright, so okay. Alright, in that area. See? And that way when I broke it in half because what's the point? I don't want to be wasting sticks like that. So I'm trying to be mindful. So I noticed like the last strip I did I don't know, it just seemed like it wasn't warm enough. But by my 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th try, we're gonna be straight. You're gonna be like, girl, who be waxing you? I'll be like, me. And this is what you need to buy. This isn't bad so far. Like, this isn't bad. I'm telling you, I'm on a mission to learn how to just do stuff myself. Okay, so enough about me. More about you. How's your day going? Okay. Okay, so see, do a test. I was trying to rough this, baby. All right. Let's see. Let's do that there. Oh, goodness. Come on. Is it the gloves? Ooh, okay. It's not. I think I need to let it dry. What do you think? Goodness. Yeah, I think I need to let it dry a little bit more. This is trial and error, baby. Trial and error. I think like I need to make it like a little bit thicker as well. So let's get into it. A little bit more, but like I said, it's not as bad because I got waxed like I think 2 weeks ago. So it's not gonna be as bad as it, Yeah. Did I get this other side? Child, this video probably all over the place, but child, I'm going on the wax. Oh my god. Okay, that's it.
Mustache. Would you like to take a look at mine? Oh no, it's on my bed. That's not even playing.
And while we're at it, baby, let's see if we can. Oh no, did I throw? There it is. Let's get the other half. While this dries, now I'm just playing around. Oh, I'm just playing around. Listen, y'all, I'll get to it. I just know that I haven't been feeling well lately. Everyone's been sick lately, so it's just been a few days since I've been able to like get up and be myself. So why not? You like my mustache? Okay. So while this dries, oh, they ain't never do this. But then again, I ain't never asked for my mustache neither. So, because it don't be getting crazy. I'm trying to figure out where to put this stick. Put it in there. All right. Now we're being serious, y'all. I think it's dry enough. Okay, let's see. Doesn't this look appealing? Okay, let's see. Oh no, maybe that wasn't smart. I don't think this was smart, guys. Oh no. All right, let's get this. Oh, that got more. Okay, never doing that again. Don't try this at home. For what I just did. Now I'm just playing around. Oh my gosh. Ah, yeah, that got a little bit more. But gonna go ahead and use the after wax treatment. Spray that on there. Clean this mess up that I did. I don't think that was bad. Hopefully this video made y'all laugh. Y'all made me laugh. Hope your new year is starting off to a great start. So this is a little oily. I'm gonna have to read the ingredients because it's my first time like unboxing with you guys. I want to give you my thoughts. This isn't bad. I'm gonna be sure to also turn it off and clean up my area, but I'm also gonna show you my hairs. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah, I have to clean up the storage of my phone, but yeah. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. It did cut off. I'll do slight editing because I like to give myself as much as possible. But let me show you these hairs, baby. Yeah, so I wanted you to see the hairs that was removed. I don't want you to think, girl, we didn't see anything, but this is the hairs. Hey y'all, thanks for watching this chaotic video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know, have you ever waxed at home? I know this video is all over the place, but like I said, I haven't felt good in a few days, so it felt good to just try to get this video out. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you thought in the comments. Did I make your day? Did I make you laugh? But I am on the verge of learning how to wax my armpits as well. I'm just trying to first master this, but we have time. So if you're on a journey to learn how to save money, hey, join, because I'm your girl. If you have any tips for me, I'm always open to learning on how I can save more money, how I can do more things at home. Don't forget to check out that link. And if you find something more affordable, let me know by all means. Baby, I can't force you to do nothing. But all right, see you next time.